Hey Instagram family, so today we are going to talk about jQuery, one of the most popular JavaScript libraries out there. So here we go. jQuery is a lightweight library that simplifies JavaScript programming. It makes it easier to manipulate HTML documents, handle events, create animations, and more. And the best part, you can use it with just a few lines of code. One of the most common uses of jQuery is to create the dynamic web pages, which will improve the user's experience and makes your site looks very beautiful. Here is an example of dynamic web page created with jQuery. As you can see, the page is interactive and user can click on various elements to trigger different actions. Another great thing of jQuery is that it is widely used and has a large community of developers. That means you can find tons of resources, plugins, and many tutorial videos which will help you in your projects. So that's all for today's a quick introduction to jQuery. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section and do not forget to follow us for more tech tips and tutorial videos. See you in the next video. So always be a learner.